Vedanta Hospital in Mumbai, there was a big picture of Narasimhadev, very big picture. And a Muslim patient was admitted. So the Muslim family had no idea of who Narasimhadev is and who is Prahlad Maharaj, nothing. And this was put just over the operation theater. So they had their patient going in on the stretcher, and they looked up, and they asked the doctor, "What is this?" And the doctor looked at the stretcher, and the stretcher was half inside and half outside. Neither in nor out, like Hiranyakashipu. So the patient's family asked this doctor, "What is this?" Now the doctor thought, how do I tell you 10 chapters of 7th canto in like 2 minutes? They said, well, this is the picture of the first ever gastrointestinal surgery performed. So they were interested. Very good hospital. But there was curiosity, inquisitiveness. They asked the doctor, wait a minute. What was the result of the operation? The doctor said, it was successful. The patient got liberated.